Hi, I'm Dipti. I will be giving you a cooking demonstration on our induction hob that you will receive in your home on selected developments. I'm now going to take my non-stick induction pan and we'll start making some flatbreads, and then we'll see how it compares to a gas hob. As you can see, the flatbreads move around really easily because of the non-stick pan, and they'll start fluffing up really nicely. As you can see, they've puffed up really nicely, and I don't even burn my fingers because there's no live flame. It's easy to pick up, easy to move around, and nice and fluffy. This is how I cook it on a gas, so I don't see any difference at all. So this is ready to take out, and there you go. And you can serve this with some nice dips. So now I'm going to make some chapattis that we call hobs. At the moment I've got the induction set at 6. Just goes to show that they work just as well on an induction hob as they do on a gas. Okay, so I'm now going to add in my oil. Did you know that the induction hob is as fast to respond to as gas? And my oil will be simmering away in no time. Now I'm cooking the onion bhajis in the hot oil. The temperature I've kept this pan at is number 5, and you can see they sizzle away as soon as you put them in there. So here's the finished crispy bhajis, nice and crispy, all cooked on the induction hob. Enjoy! I hope this video gave you an insight into the ease and simplicity of using an induction hob. As you can see, it's very easy to clean. I'm just giving it a wipe down.